we learn about progressions. What is a progression? Arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. The list of numbers which are formed by adding a constant number. Constant 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 4, 19. Arithmetic progression. Here A is, this is A, and common difference B is 4. It is a list of numbers obtained by adding a fixed number. The fixed number is the difference D to the preceding term. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. 7, 10, 7, 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, so on. Here this is also arithmetic progression. It is a list of numbers obtained by adding a fixed number, that is D is minus 2, decreasing. 10 minus 7, 3, 7 minus 4, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 1 minus 3, 2, like this. Here D is minus 3. This is A. So in this we have general form of arithmetic progression. First term A, and we are adding a constant fixed number B, A plus B. Again we are adding the same number B. We are adding the same number B, fixed number, like this. So this is first term, second term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. A plus 4D. So one number less, 5 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1. Right. Similarly, we write nth term. Nth term is A plus n minus 1 of D. So for every number we are subtracting 1. 5 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1, like that. Nth term n minus 1 of D. So nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 of D. So nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 of D. This is the formula we derive. This is the way of finding nth term. In this, how to identify is it whether it is arithmetic progression or not, means difference will be same. In geometric progression, the constant number is multiplied. Here added plus or minus, but there in geometric progression we have to multiply. Suppose 5 is there, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 40 2s are 80. Now this is GP, geometric progression. Of course, in further exercises we discuss in detail. GP, geometric progression. Here difference is 5, here difference is 10, 20, 40, like difference is not same. Observe these two. This is arithmetic progression. Here difference will be equal, same, identical. 50 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 3 plus 4, like that. 4 is a constant, fixed number, that is arithmetic progression. AP short form. Arithmetic progression. It is a list of numbers obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms, except the first one. First one remains as it is. To that number we are adding a fixed number. That is AP. Like that we have applied. In the first exercise 6.1, some problems are given. We have to say whether it comes under arithmetic progression or not. First problem I am reading. In which of the following situations the list of numbers involved forms an arithmetic progression and why? The minimum taxi fare is 20 rupees. Minimum taxi for every kilometer onwards 8 rupees extra charge. Fixed charge 20. For every extra 1 kilometer 8 rupees is charged. So 28. First came. Additional came. Additional 1K. Second 8 is again added. 36 2 kilometers. Additional. And then again 8 kilometers, 1 more kilometer. 48, 44, third kilometer. See, by observing these numbers, 20, 28, 36, 44. So your common difference is 8. 8 only increasing. So this is AP. Yes, it is AP. Your common difference is same. The fixed number is same. 28 minus 28, 36 minus 28 is 8. 44 minus 36 is 8. So this is AP. The amount of air present in a cylinder in an active form denotes 1/4. First one, this is first bit. This is second bit. Page number 137. Back, there is an air in the cylinder. It is vacuum pump is used to remove the air. Every attempt, 1/4 of the air is removed from the remaining. First 1/4 removed. Remaining is 3/4. From the 3/4 again removed is 1/4. So 3/16 is removed. Next time, so like that the difference is not equal. It is no. No, it is not AP. No, not AP. Not AP. Because D is not same. D is varying, changing every time. Third one. The cost of digging a well after every meter digging, when it costs 150, starting cost is 150. For every 1 feet digging, 1 meter digging, 50 rupees extra. If you dig 1 meter depth, increase is 50, 200, 250, 300 and so on. By observing the list of the numbers, common difference is same. 200 minus 150, 50. 250 minus 250, 50. So here common difference B is 50. Yes, it is AB. Yes, it is AB. This is not. Second one. Third one, yes. For the amount of money in the account at the end of each year, 1,000 to 10,000 rupees, deposit compound interest. Fourth, 10,000 deposited in the beginning. Bank is giving 8% annual interest, 8%. So the interest becomes 8 by 100 into 10,000. So we are getting 8%, not 80. So 850 interest is added, 10,800. Second year principal. The compound interest is added to the principal amount. Principal amount is 10,000, interest is 800. Every year 800 increasing. But in the second year, 8% means 864. 864. This 800 also increases percentage. Here see difference is not here. First year difference 800. Second year difference is 864. Difference is not same, so it is not compound interest is not a P, not an a P, not an A. So if the difference is same, we can say it is arithmetic progression. If the difference is not same, not A. Second question. Write first four terms. Second question. Write first four terms. Where A is 10, difference B is 10. We have to write four numbers. We have to add the difference B10. First, the APCs, the four terms are, first term 10 given, difference D given 10, add 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. So these are the four terms. Second question, A is minus 2. A is minus 2, B is 0. First term minus 2, adding 0 means we get the same, we get the same, we get the same, we get the same. So these are the, when difference is 0, the terms never change. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He is asking only 4. Third, A is 4, B is minus 3. The four terms are, first term 4, minus 3 subtract 1, minus 3 2, minus 3 5, minus 3 8. The four terms are these. The next four terms. Next fourth. A is minus 2, Difference is minus 1. Difference is half. We have to add the difference half. First term minus 1. We are adding the half, so minus half remains. We are adding half, 0. Minus half plus half, 0. And next 1 by 2, adding half, 1. Every time we are adding half, we can write orally half, add half plus half, minus half remains. Adding plus half becomes 0. Adding half, half becomes. Adding half, 1. Half plus half, 1. These are the 4 terms. Next, fifth. A is minus 1.25 and B is 0.25. The decimals are given. First term minus 1.25. To this we have to add 0.25. Adding 25 minus 1, this is plus. So it becomes minus 1. Minus 1. Where this is minus, this is plus. Minus 1.25 plus 0.25. Then this is plus, subtract 0, 1. And again adding 0.75 minus minus 0.5. 1, 2. If you want, you can write this as 0.25. These are the 4 terms. Write down sponge 1. B given minus, but I have given plus. Okay. Next, third question. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Third question. 1. Find write first term and the common difference. Difference is common difference. B. Write A and B. A and B. Term number 1. 3 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 3. Second. Minus 5 minus 1 3 comma 7 10. Third, 1 by 3 comma 5 by 3 comma 9 by 3 comma 13 by 3 comma dash. Here A 4. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. Yes. Here 4 columns are given. We have to write first term and difference. First term 3. First term minus 5. First term 1 by 3. First term 0.6. Now difference. Second term minus first term. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Second term a2 minus a1. 3 minus 1. See 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 5 becomes plus 4. Plus 5 it becomes minus 1 minus half minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5. So plus 4. So this is plus 4. And this is difference 4 by 3. 9 by 5 starting minus 10. Here difference 1.7 minus 0.6 1.1 like this. Difference a2 minus a1. 1.7 minus 0.6 1.1. Next, fourth question. Which of the following are APs? Fourth question. Which are the following are APs? APs. If they form an AP. If they form an AP, find common difference B and write next items. Find common difference, find B and write next 3 terms. Next 3 terms. Oh. Number 1. Here 13 questions are given. I will explain few. 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 2 4 8 16 dash. AP or not? If AP, B. Next 3 terms. Next 3 terms. Okay. If it is AP, then B is equal. Okay. Since number 1, 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16. Okay. 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2 comma dash. or minus 1.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 minus 7.2 4 minus 10 minus 6 minus 2 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 3 dash. 6 0.2 0.22 0.222 0.2222 dash. 7 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. Here see some series are given. We say these are all called series of numbers. Here is it AP or not? First, by observing the numbers, we can say whether it is the arithmetic progression or not. Here difference is 4 minus 2 2, 8 minus 4 4, 16 minus 8 8. Here difference is not same, so it is not AP. Then there is no question of finding D. Now 2 5 2, this is 2 and a half, 3 3 and a half. Here difference is half of increasing. 2 2 and a half, 3 3 and a half. So here this is yes. The difference is half. Half D is equal to half, and go on add 3 and a half 4 4 and a half 5 5 and a half 9. And the third question, minus 1.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 minus 7.2. So in each term is added by minus 2. This is yes. This is yes. Yes. Difference is 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Now write minus 9.2 minus 11.2 minus 13.2. Go on, add minus 2. Difference is minus 2. Minus 2. Next minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, plus 2, and so on. Here difference is same. 6 minus 10, 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. So here yes, this is yes, difference is plus 4. Now 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. This is 3, 3 plus root 2. Root 2 is added. Root 2, root 2, 2 root 2. Root, again adding root 2, 3 root 2. So here, yes, this is yes. Arithmetic progression, difference is root 2. Now add 3 root 2 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Every time you go on add root 2, root 2, root 2. Here 3 root 2 is there, 4 root 2. Next you add root 2. Add to root 2, 5 root 2. Add root 2, 6 root 2. Then here see sixth one. Here 0.2, 0.22, 0.222. Difference is not same. Difference is not same. No, it is not an AP. Alright, here no. So these are not possible. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. Here yes, this is yes. This is yes. Because difference is same. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. Difference is minus 4. So go on add minus 4. Minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. That's all. These are the this is the way of finding arithmetic mean. If the common difference is same in the series of numbers, then we say it is an AP. If the common difference is not same, no AP, not AP. So remaining